Hello, my name is David Monks, and I'm here today to talk about how you can achieve a secure, rapid, but cost effective transformation to enterprise applications mobility, but without the need to create code. You no doubt know how complicated this is, as you're probably already working hard to develop mobile apps for your users to allow them to use your back office systems on the move. But this is hard. Users typically don't know what's involved, so they still expect it all done yesterday. This is complicated, from often inadequate specifications through to trying to cope with a wide variety of mobile devices and operating systems. Users just do not understand that it takes a long time to develop. This is expensive, with major system vendors insisting that mobile capability can only be provided if you upgrade to their latest and greatest version, or the extensive spend needed to create mobile apps from scratch. Users don't understand why we can't just give them everything they want now. Let's take a step back and look at some of the assumptions others have made in their search to provide users with mobile access to their systems. Users will get used to a new user interface if they want to have mobile access. Users will settle for point-specific limited functionality mobile apps because they understand that they can't have fully functional access to their back office systems. Users will understand they will need to upgrade to the latest devices to be able to run a number of mobile apps. Users won't mind having loads of icons on their devices, as each separate mobile app will need a different icon so they can tell the difference. As you probably found yourself, these assumptions are mistaken, as users don't like change and have little understanding of the complex issues surrounding this topic. So let me introduce you to a solution which could satisfy a lot of users' concerns. To-Go. This is built around an enterprise applications mobility layer approach, which ensures you can rapidly provide secure mobile access to even your most critical business systems without the risk of data loss. It even allows you to provide mobile use of bespoke or legacy applications which were never designed for mobile use. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let's see how it works. To-Go is made up of 4 separate pieces of software which all work together in one solution to provide a unique method of how to mobilize enterprise applications quickly. The main one of these is the To-Go server software, which runs on Windows 2008 R2 or later on either physical or virtual servers and is the main connection with your enterprise applications. This software controls all of the communication with your devices and acts as one end of the encryption-decryption process. It's encrypted to FIPS 140.2 level. The server also works with both the validation server, that's next, and your authentication server to ensure that users are properly authenticated, and finally it handles streaming content between the mobile device and the selected application. The next key piece of information about our system is our validation server software, which ensures that only pre-validated devices can access the system. Each time the user starts the To-Go app on the device of their choice, it's available for Apple and Android, the device handshakes with the validation server to receive the routing information for the designated To-Go server, which will handle future requests, as well as the user's profile. The only software which is exposed to the user is the client app, which can be downloaded from the relevant app store and which is the navigation interface to To-Go, as well as providing the user with full screen visibility of the remote application's interface and tracking any interaction between the user and the image of that remote system. Navigation is intuitive through the use of application icons, or once sessions are opened, through selection of the prior session via thumbnails. The app also provides a number of user productivity enhancements, such as the ability to deploy specialized keyboards, including function and control keys, custom user-defined gestures, mapping to workflows in the underlying applications, and even voice-activated data capture. The final piece of software is an app-specific, application-specific micro VPN, which can be automatically initiated if required to provide connectivity between the device and the designated to-go server, but which if automatically closes if the user closes either the to-go app or the remote application, so providing further security. Here's what it looks like in an infrastructure diagram. And as you can see, the to-go server is typically deployed within our Amazon AWS network to provide mobile access to your systems wherever you are in the world. So what does it take to get to-go working? Well, that depends upon the nature of the enterprise applications you wish to connect to. The easiest is a web-enabled or SaaS-based application for which all that is required is the URL entered into the to-go server's configuration. Next comes a hosted content repository where you're able to upload relevant files such as spreadsheets, documents, slide decks, etc. to a secure server on our network and work on them from your mobile device. Even the most complex of bespoke or legacy applications, however, only takes a few days to get implemented, as we obtain around a dozen connection elements and test out the designated to-go server communicating with your defined applications. Okay, let's say I'm interested. What next? Well, you've got a number of choices as to what to do next. If you need more information on to-go or enterprise applications mobility layer technology and how it works, then just head over to our website on www.togomobilenow.com, where you can read our blogs, watch our videos, or sign up for a free trial of the technology. On the other hand, if you've been convinced by what you've heard and just want to cut straight to getting a proof of value set up, so you can see for yourself whether it does what it says on the tin, then you can either email pov@togomobilenow.com or call one of the numbers you see on the screen and we'll set it up for you straight away. Thanks for watching.